Hello everyone, welcome to my learning channel. In this video I'll show you how you can easily delete your Facebook page. So let's start. At first you have to click on your profile icon and then select the page that you want to delete. Now from here click on your page and then go to settings. Okay, from settings you have to go privacy, and then you have to select this option, Facebook page information. You will find this option, deactivation and deletion. Click on view. Okay, from here you can easily deactivate your page. This can be temporary, or you can delete your page permanently. Select this option and then click on continue. You can download your page information if you want. Click on continue, and then you have to provide your password. Okay, after providing your password, click on continue, and you will see this text: you are able to permanently delete your page. You have 30 days to reactivate your page. If you want, you can reactivate your page within these days. So as I want to delete this page, I'm clicking on this option, continue. This is how you can easily delete your Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching.